Alright, so I went ahead to create a little email client, mobile email client for our application, and here it is running. I've already sent myself a couple of emails which I can actually open and look at. It's something really small. It's just to test the API, and I want to actually test it now again live. But before getting to that, we have a couple of things to set up. The first thing is I want to see logs coming in live. So for observability, this is my AWS console, so I'll actually navigate to AgentCore. I'll go to agent runtime. I'll scroll to the bottom and I'll select the email client which I deployed. From there, I'll see all the versions I've installed so far. What I can do is I'll navigate to observability. And again, from the left hand side menu, I'll go to live tail because I want to see logs coming in, as the application runs. And here I'll search for email. I'll just get that. I'll select and I'll hit start. I think. Yeah, apply filters as well. And so it's waiting for log events that match the filters. Okay, we didn't even have any filters, but you can go ahead and test. Now navigate to my email, my mailbox, that's Gmail, and then I'll send. I already have an email generated using Gemini. I'll just copy this email. Yep, I think it's nice. Subject to name Russia's and to move for. And for the subject, what did it have? We had action required. And I'll hit send. Now navigate back to observability and see if events will come in. Alright, so as you can see, it's running. And events have started coming in. And then we can navigate back to our mobile application and see the email already being displayed on the app. And here we have the email, action required, team-wide. So if we click on it, you can see a summary of the email. And also remember there's an audio text generated, another audio text of this summary being generated, but I did not implement that on this mobile client yet. You can go ahead and implement that on whatever client you're trying to consume your APIs with. And this is the email we actually sent. If we navigate back to Bedrock, we'll see a lot of events being generated, which you can actually go through to debug your application.